Okay people, I will show you another way how you can fill gap in polygons. But also pay attention what direction he was drawing curve from left to right. Otherwise your polygons will not connect. One point, as you can see, I will get back to that video. You have to pay attention that one of the points is deselected, that one and that one. Now I will be filling shape. Shift S, cursor to selected. Why I deleted this? Because I will show you step by step. Because this tool is amazing. Add annotation, 3D cursor. But please, you have to draw from left to right. I didn't know that and my polygon wasn't connected properly. Annotation to curve. We will change interpolation resolution up to 3. We also have to decimate our curve. Clean up, decimate curve. What I wanted to do with this object, I wanted to modify. This is why I have handles on. I turned on my handles. But please, you have to snap. In snap option you have to use closest and move. This one and this one must be deselected. Snap option must be on when you edit your curve. Unfortunately I forgotten about something. We have to move this object to location of our cursor. I'm checking my object. Shift D. Oh, I like that. The way how it is copying my curve. I like that way. We can also, I have to do something with this object. I will turn this off in a minute. Very important how you specify direction, because you have to, in this case you have to draw from left to right, otherwise your polygon will not connect properly. Okay, I will use a circle select. Okay, mesh of the surface, this is our object. We have chosen picker. We will have to choose this. Oh, now we have properly connected polygon. Option stretch will subdivide. But I see something missing. This is because I will probably have to move this object a little bit. It all depends how our object is defined. As you can see, it's quite a nice shape. I don't know if I'm supposed to add more shapes or not. I actually would like to do that, but I don't know how this will be working because I already copied from this side to this my object. I'm still thinking, people, what can I do? I don't know if nothing wrong happens. Because I already copied my object. But what I could do instead, I can still move this object to see what will happen. Because I'm very interested in how this thing will work. No, I can't do that. This must be done from the beginning. Oh, now I see errors. They came up because I already changed. Strange errors already came up. Oh, we also have loops on stroke. This option, in this case, I'm supposed to deselect. I want to modify this polygon object a little bit. What if I subdivide this? Because I'm interested in what shape I will have if I subdivide this. Oh, you had better to deselect option loops on strokes. You can still achieve quite interesting shapes when you work with curves. What else I could do with this? To be honest with you, I like the way how this tool works, but you have to do everything in proper order when you draw curve. In this case, it must be done from left to right.